Meet Baby Got Bounce, an intense rinse-out treatment that moisturises and repairs to improve manageability, support curl pattern, and prepares curls for easy styling. Any curl type will benefit from this treatment after deep cleaning or whatever extra hydration is required.
We've used argan oil and shea butter to deeply moisturise and soften curls, and the best part is it does this without weighing them down. Hydrolyzed quinoa treats and strengthens damaged and colour-treated curls. Baby Got Bounce conditions and supports the natural curl pattern to prime and prepare curls for easier styling. And it helps to reduce frizz, detangles and improves combability. We've popped this rinse-out treatment into a handy spray bottle to make application super easy. Before using, squeeze out excess water without agitating curls. Apply evenly from roots to ends and use your fingers to comb through or a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse.